Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply for a tax file number in Australia online, and it is free to do so. So if you don't have a tax file number or you're looking to apply for one, you're going to go to this website. I will leave this link in the description below. So it's ato.gov.au, individual and families, tax file number, apply for a TFN. So depending on your circumstances, there are different options that you'll have to select based on whether you're Aboriginal, if you have a passport, if you're a foreign passport holder, etc. Generally speaking, if you're just in Australia and you're going to be applying for a tax file number, but you don't have a passport, this would be the option. And if you do have a passport, this would be the option. And it's very simple. You're just going to follow the prompts. So we're going to click on this one. Obviously, you have to read the eligibility to be able to apply. So it is free to apply for a tax file number. And then as we keep scrolling down, you can see here that there's a link which is complete the form online. So we're going to click on this option. And then you just simply follow these guides. So starting a new tax file application, or you're modifying the existing ones. Obviously this is going to be new. Click on continue. You can then start the form, and then you just fill in all of your personal details and just follow the prompts. It's really, really simple. And that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.